Part 2. This girl just wears me out along with the heat. Digger! Let me see that eye open, you silly girl. See, our grass is so brown because we haven't had no rain. But a few months back, I had Digger out here, and she was crossing the neighbor's sidewalk right over there, and she found a place to dig at, and so I guess she thought that she was part mole, and started digging a hole. So I watched her and watched her and watched her. I picked her up. Oh, she was fine, but her nose was black, and her fingers and stuff, her paws and her feet were black because, you know, she got all dirty. But the dirt didn't bother her because it was all natural, and I stopped her before she got even bigger. So, you know, I'm gonna put her back inside the house so she can clean herself off. But yeah, no, Digger, I don't want you to get grass seeds in your body. Okay, Digger, you're just getting too rambunctious for mommy. Okay, folks, that's about it. Say bye-bye, Digger. It's kind of hard to say it because of the sunlight. Okay. Say bye-bye, Digger. Yeah, she's still kicking. Say bye-bye, Digger. Bye-bye, Digger. Say bye-bye, Digger. Beep beep, oops. Okay, folks.